it's Arjavya, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the 2x2x3 tower. We also call it the 2x2x3 cuboid because it's in a cuboid shape. So let's learn the notations first. When we rotate the right layer 180 degrees, it is called an arc, no matter which direction we turn it, either down or either up, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Similarly, when we rotate the left layer 180 degrees, it is called an L, no matter which direction we turn it from, up, down, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now, similarly, we have the front and back layer. When we rotate the front layer, I'll show it in this view. Front layer 180 degrees, it is called an F, no matter in which direction we turn it, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Similarly, the back layer, when we turn it 180 degrees, it is called a B, back, no matter clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now U, when we rotate the up layer clockwise only one time, it is called a U. So it's like this. Now when we rotate the upper layer anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, it is called a U prime. Now we have the down layer. When we rotate the down layer, let's see from here, this is the down layer, clockwise, anti-clockwise, D prime. And when we rotate the middle layer, it is called an M. This is clockwise, so this is an M, and this is anti-clockwise, M prime. So now you have learnt the notations of the 2x2x3. Now let's scramble it. Here it is scrambled. Now let's start solving it. So the first step is to build the white and the yellow layer. Layer means the side. So the first situation is when we have 3 corners over here and one of the different color over here. So, and we have the same thing over here. So to solve it in that case, take the left layer, rotate it L. Now let's do a U prime, U, and then let's take it back to its place. I'll show it to you again. We did an L, we did a U, and we took it back. So here we have it solved. The next situation is when we have a checkerboard pattern like this and line at the other side. It's like boo 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 and this. So to solve that, take the right layer, take the left layer and rotate it twice. Rotate it like this, take it back over here, do an R. Now you see we have the same situation, the last situation. So this time let's rotate an U, and then let's rotate the left layer left layer, rotate it and take it back. Here we are done with the second situation too. Third situation is when you have 2 bars over here, 2 bars over here, but they are not in the same direction. So this is the easiest case. If you look down, if one layer is over here, it's in the left, then rotate it to the right, or if it is in the right, then rotate it to the left. So it is over here in the right, so in the left, so I'll rotate it in the right direction and do it 2 times. So here we are done. So in the next step, we build this layer and this layer. So if you have already layers over here, then you can go to the next step. You can skip this step. So, but if you have a bar, but you don't have lines on the other side, on the three sides, then you need to follow this algorithm. R, U prime, R, F, U prime, F, U, F. So here you see our first layer is complete. We need to do the same thing with the second layer, and our layers would be complete. So now you see, let's come to the third step. So the first situation is, so the step is that we need to create the last layer and solve it. So the first situation is that when you rotate it like this, you have two opposite colors solved and you don't have a correct edge anywhere. So the algorithm for it is face any solved color side horizontally. So this is your M layer, this is your up layer, this is right layer, this is the left layer, and this is down layer, and this is B and F. So the algorithm is M2 U, M2 U, M2, and you find this cuboid to be solved. Sometimes you may find the second layer also solved and you can solve it. That's just making one move. So now off to the third situation. Third situation is that you have one solved edge and rest are unsolved. So face the solved edge, keep it on your bottom, either like this or either like this, and follow this algorithm. M clockwise, U, M counterclockwise, U, M 2 times, and you have this solved again. Fourth situation is when you have two solved colors and you have two correctly placed edges, 1, 2. They are opposite to each other, and two unsolved edges. So follow this simple algorithm. R2, U, R2, U, R2, U, and it is done. So we have covered all the situations, the solving method. This is the easiest method, and to receive more fun and interesting tutorials, start now by clicking that red subscribe button and making it gray. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.